Glamping provides the best of both worlds. People enjoy camping for many reasons. The most common reason is to enjoy the great outdoors and experience nature. Some people, however, really don't like camping. They don't enjoy the insects or the danger of wild animals. They don't like threats of bad weather or a lack of convenient food choices either. Truth be told, for many people, the negatives of camping are greater than the positives. These days, however, people are attracted to a new style of camping. It's one that lets people enjoy being in nature without all the difficulties that come with it. It's called glamping. Glamping still offers most of the enjoyments of camping. It's great for family holidays because children can run around and explore nature. If you're visiting with friends, you can gather around the fire and roast marshmallows. It's also great for couples who can enjoy a quiet time together with only the sounds of nature. Glamping is something everyone can enjoy.